Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you're okay. Our topic for today is about on how to create a Padlet. Okay, so all we have to do is we have to open the browser. Okay, so type padlet.com. Then once you're already in the Padlet, you have your options to log in or sign up for free. Okay, if you're going to sign up for free, meaning you can avail the benefits of having three Padlets. While if you're already having your account and you subscribe already to the Padlet.com, meaning you have your unlimited use of Padlet. Okay, for a beginner, you don't need to subscribe at first. So all you have to do is just sign up for free, and then you can use your default Gmail account. So sign up with Google. Okay, so whatever Google account you already have signed in your Google application, so that will be your defaults. Okay, so just click on it and next. So here we are. We are already in Padlets. Now, so these are the options. So option number one, we have make a Padlets. Number two, join a Padlet. And three, gallery. Now, if you want to subscribe on Padlet, then you can click on upgrade button in here. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my sample Padlet in here, so I'm going to delete on it so that you can create a new Padlet. Okay, now we are going to start from the beginning. So click make Padlet. So if you notice, we have different options. Option number one is about wall. Option number two is about canvas. Option number three is about stream. Option number four is about grid. Option number five is about shelf. Option number six is about back channel. Option number seven is about map. And option number eight is about timeline. Okay, you can navigate all of these options. For example, in wall, then you can modify it. So you can have your topic or title here. Let's say computer system servicing. Then you can have your own description. Open for business. Okay, then you can have your icon here if you want to choose. Say monitor. Okay, so we already have our icon. Then you can actually change your address. Let's say computer system. And then you can have your wallpaper if you want. Say solid colors, gradients, textures and patterns, pictures. So I want to use textures. Okay, that depends on your choice. Okay. Now, if you're going to share this with your students, you can on attribution so that the author or name will always be above their post. Okay. Then you can also add comments if you want. Then reactions. You can on the like, vote, or star. That depends on your choice also. Then require approval. That is if you want to control the posts of your students. But if you want them to be more collaborative, you can disable this so that they can easily exchange postings without your approval. Okay, so then click next and you can start your posting. So here we are. This is an empty Padlet. Then you can add by clicking the positive sign here. Then you can start your title. Okay, let's say you want your students to draw their dream PC or personal computer. Okay, so be able to put specifications of your dream personal computer. Okay, so that's your number one idea that you want to share with them. Okay, then you can add more. Let's say maximize your time. Okay, use the specific period in creating this activity. Okay, then you can add more. Collaborate with your classmates. Be able to connect your work with your classmates. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you're not satisfied with what you have done, then you can easily delete. So you can add or change something more. Okay, so that's your Padlet number one. Then go back to Padlet if you want to create more. Then make another Padlet. So you can use Canvas or you can use Tile. You can use back channel, you can use map, or you can use timeline. Okay, let's say we're going to use the shell. Okay, so again, you have to write the title. And then you can follow the same if you want. So change your icon. And you can also change your site if you want. system servicing. Then you can use attribution, you can add comment, you can add reactions. Okay, you don't need to add approval, or you can also add that. Then click next and start posting. Okay, so let's say this is column number one. So you have to write your topic. Create. Say this is system unit. Okay, then click save and add. You can use your operating system. Click save. Add your application, software. Okay, so supposing these are the three things that you want your students to do. So this is your columns. Okay, so you can add more if you want, and you can add in here system unit. I want, say, my specifications to be good. So under your specifications, you can add, let's say, Intel i7 10th gen. Okay, you have your 16 GB of your RAM. Then you can add, say, 2 GB of your video graphics. Then you have your 2 terabyte of your SSD hard drive. Okay, and then in your operating system, so I want Windows 10 64 bits. Okay, then for your application software, I want Office 2019 or Office, let's say 365. Then you can add some more. I want Adobe CC 2020, so forth and so on. So you can add some more columns if you want. Say networking, I want my internet connection. I want, let's say, 100 Mbps to my line. Okay, I want to get that from Converge. Okay, so in your house, you want to have your Wi-Fi or high fidelity connectivity. Then your router, you want to be, let's say, what kind of, I want to have, okay, you can you can maximize your router to make it more efficient. So I want to have, let's say, um, Joped Wi-Fi connectivity. Okay, so these are examples of how to create your Padlet. Now, if you want to add some more, then just click and add. Okay, one more. So let's try to add another Padlet. Let's say I want to use Canvas. So this is CSS. Computer System Servicing. Then show icon. And use your wallpaper. So this wallpaper is good, but you can also change that if you want. Say I want to use this gradient, okay, or picture. Okay, so I guess that's okay already. Then attribution, you can also add that. Then comment, then reactions. I want to have heart or vote. So I want the like as a heart. Okay. And then approval, so no need. And then click next. And start position. Okay. So here, let's say I want to show my presentation. Then I want to link my file coming from Google Drive. So all I have to do is just open my drive and look for the file that you're going to link with your Padlet. Okay. So look for your PowerPoint. Until your link is already okay. Actually, you can also use video if you want. Okay, or you can use PowerPoint presentation in linking your Padlet. Or you can also use the video that you already have created. Let's say this one. So all you have to
What's up,
do
everybody? This is Chris from PC Addicts.
is just click and copy the URL. Then go back to Padlet and paste it in there. So it takes a process until it's done. And once it's done, then you can play that in here. So you already have your link and you can play all the video that you have just linked in your Padlet. Okay, let's say you got an error or mistake in doing it. Then just go back
And
and
this video
get the
and
link.
a series of videos following this is going to be on doing some basic server
Okay,
stuff.
so copy the link
Setting up domain controller.
and go back to your Padlet and link the URL again in your Padlet. And just wait for a few seconds until it's done. So here we are.
What's up, everybody? This is Chris from PC Addicts, and this video and a series.
So that's it. Okay, so as you can see, it's actually very easy. So if you want to add more, then you can type another topic if you want. Okay, say PowerPoint, and then look for another URL. Say this one. I want to link again this video. So just gets the link, the three dots, then click share, and then copy link, go back to your Padlet and click the paste the URL there and click save. Okay, so you can actually align and you can connect to the other activity. Say for example, this activity is done by your student, then you can link their work, then connect the post. Here we are. So you can also do that with all of the works of your students. So if you want them to make a collaborative effort or work or activity, then this option is perfect for them. Okay? So I hope guys you enjoyed with our simple tutorial regarding this Padlets, and you can use this Padlet for free in your classes. Okay? And I hope you enjoyed with it. And with this, I say thank you and goodbye.